Hello guys, first time being here. So don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also turn on the notifications. Okay, good luck guys.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys. So today we're going to talk about development of atomic structure model. So basically we have 5 chemists which contribute to the atomic structure model. We started with the first chemist, which is John Dalton, who was the first scientist to explain the behavior of atoms. He came up with several theory, which is he developed himself. The first theory is John Dalton said that elements are made of small particles called atom. So I put the atom in the right one because whenever you see atom is the keyword for John Dalton. If you see the questions and then you saw the keyword which is atom, that means the answer is John Dalton. So you need to remember that John Dalton introduced that the element that are made of small particles called atom. He also said that atom cannot be divided, created or destroyed because the atom already the smallest element, so it cannot be divided, created or destroyed. The last one is atoms of given element are identical in size, mass and other properties. So we move to next chemist. The second one is J.J. Thomson. He found that there are negatively charged particles called electrons. So there are two keywords, which is electrons and cathode rays, because he discovered this through his exploration on the properties of cathode rays. So whenever you found electrons or cathode rays, so the answer should be J.J. Thomson. The third one is Ernest Rutherford, which found that the positively charged particle called protons in the nucleus. He found that there are positively charged particles called protons. Whenever you saw, this is the keyword for Ernest Rutherford. And also, he found that electrons move outside the nucleus. So in the nucleus there are protons, but outside the nucleus there are electrons moving around it. Okay? The fourth one is Niels Bohr, which said that electrons in an atom move in shells around nucleus. So shells is the keyword for Niels Bohr because Ernest Rutherford said that electrons move outside the nucleus. So there should be something that stabilizes the electron, which can make electrons move around the orbits around the nucleus. So Niels Bohr create this theory which stated that electrons in an atom move in shells so that the electrons can stably move around the nucleus. The last one is James Chadwick, which stated that there are neutral particles called neutrons in the nucleus. Actually, neutrons has been discovered by Ernest Rutherford, but he cannot prove that there are neutral particles in the nucleus. So after that, James Chadwick can prove that there are uncharged particles called neutrons. So that's just an extra information. So the keyword here is neutrons, which when you see there are neutrons. in the examination questions. So the answer should be James Chadwick. This is example from the past year question. It is given the statement about an atom. The mass of atom is concentrated in the nucleus, which contain positively charged particles. Which of the scientists made the statement? We should find the keyword first. So I think we found it here. Positively charged particles, which is, you know who? The scientist. So the answer should be Ernest Rutherford. Because the keyword here is positively charged particles, which is proton. Okay, that was the short form symbol for proton. Okay, so that's it.